Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to do my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of July, and I used all the products on my face today, so this is the look using my products. So if you'd like to see how the products perform on the face and my thoughts on them, then please keep watching. So here's the little Boxycharm card that comes with the box. So the theme for July is road trippin', cute little license plate thing design. So the first thing in the box is this little guy. This is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. So it says the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage retails for $42. As Kathleen likes to say, this is expensive. I know I don't say it like she does. I don't say it right. But that is expensive, pretty expensive. I can't help it. I always watch her videos. You know, like there's some YouTubers that I watch like basically all their uploads, and she's one of them, and she always says that's expensive, so it's like stuck in my head. And I bought her nail polishes that are that's expensive, so I can't help it, I say it. But anyway, it says, say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful, rested looking eyes with Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Formulated with biomimetic technology, peptides, and botanical extracts, you are guaranteed visibly reduced under eye bags and dark circles. $42. Yeah, Dr. Brandt tends to be pretty expensive, but we do get them in the Boxycharm box pretty often, so that's nice because it's nice to try, you know, nice skincare brands that I wouldn't normally buy. It says, after your eye moisturizer, warm a tiny amount between fingers and gently pat directly on bags and dark circles. Use alone or under makeup. For best results, let dry in between applications. Reapply as needed. It says to put an eye moisturizer on first. I'm just going to use this myself. It's orange. I wasn't expecting that. Alright, so you can see I definitely have bags under my eyes, you know, dark circles. So it says to warm it up. So I'm just going to warm it up on the back of my hand and then to pat it on your under eyes. I don't really notice a difference right away, but maybe this is one of those products that will work over time the more you use it, so I'm definitely going to keep trying it and see if I notice difference. But yeah, that's it for this product. So off camera, I'm just going to do my base makeup, my foundation, concealer, and everything so I can move on to the rest of the products. So I'll be right back. Alright, so as you can see, I finished up my face. So now I'm going to move on to the next product, which is this guy. This is from the brand Cella. It's their Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. I guess the shade is just taupe. It looks like this little container right here. So when you open it up, one side has a pen, and then you twist off the other side and it has the eyebrow cream and the little pot. So it's basically just like an eyebrow cream, eyebrow pomade, but in a pen form, so everything all in one. It includes the brush. So the Cella Beauty Eyebrow Cream, it retails for $26. It says, add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. The velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you perfect brows that will last all day and night. So $26 for an eyebrow cream, that's not bad, considering that you get the brush too, if it's a good brush. I mean, definitely you can find cheaper products from the drugstore or Ulta or whatever, but if you're just comparing it to like high-end brands, it's not bad. I've never heard of this brand Cella before, so I don't really know how much their stuff usually retails for, but I'm excited to give it a try. I'm just going to dip into the cream. So far it looks like a nice shade. It's right here. I put some on the back of my hand. Okay, let's try to do the brows. That brow's not bad so far. I'm just going to brush through it with a spoolie. It doesn't come with a spoolie, so make sure you have a spoolie on hand. Of course, the front doesn't look too defined. Like, you can tell where I have actual hairs and where I don't have hairs, so I'm going to need to fix that. But other than that, it looks okay. So this is my brows finished with this product. I kind of want to touch up a little bit like the front with something else and a little bit on the arch. A little bit more just because, you know, I have very sparse brows. Okay, I finished my brows with some other products just to touch them up and get them how I like them. So I think the Cella brow product was okay, but it's not like my favorite. But I do see how it'd be useful for travel, you know, on the go, because it's all in one. You don't have to bring a separate brush. So the next product in the box is this mascara. It's from the brand Wander Beauty. It's their Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. So I've never tried anything from the brand Wander Beauty before. I've heard that it's a good brand, but I haven't tried it yet. So let's see what it says. says. It says, this award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights. Literally, the Unlash Mascara volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. And it retails for $24. So the brush is kind of like curved a little bit. I don't think I have any brushes like this, but it is a fluffy brush, which I like. Okay, so after trying out this mascara, I don't really like it. I did 2 coats, which is what I usually do. I already feel like I barely see my lashes. Like, you could definitely see them, but compared to other mascaras I have, it's not nearly as volumizing or lengthening. I do like the brush though. I feel like the brush would be good with a different formula. So this might be, I'm gonna try layering another mascara on top of it because this might be a good mascara for layering since it says it conditions your lashes. So let me try that. So I put a layer of the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara on top. I do like the combination of the two because I feel like the one from Wander Beauty, it kind of helped to just separate the lashes and kind of define each lash, but this one really gives volume and like curl and length. So I think I like the combination. This isn't necessarily like a great mascara in my opinion on its own, but I think I can get it to work with other mascaras. Okay, and then the next product that's in the box is a blush. So it's from the brand Note. I have never heard of this brand before either. It's their Luminous Silk Compact Blusher in the shade Desert Rose. I already looked at this though when I opened it and the shade looks really pretty. So this is the shade. Oh! I was like, when I flip it, why does it make a noise? It comes with a brush. I wouldn't really want this brush though. It's not a very good brush. I guess it's nice it comes with a brush, but I'm not going to use it. So this is the shade. It's a really pretty like peachy kind of like apricot shade. I really like these shades for blush. So I'm going to put this on the cheeks. But first, let's see what it says. The blush from Note Cosmetics retails for $11.99. It says, designed to work for all skin types, this luminous paraben-free blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness with its argan oil infused formula. The built-in brush and mirror makes this little compact a 3-in-1 treat, perfect for the charmer on the go. Since it comes with a brush, you could definitely use it on the go. Okay, so I would say I like this blush. I think the color is pretty. It definitely applies nicely. It's not too pigmented, but it has enough pigmentation, the right amount for a blush, I would say, and I think the color is really pretty. Okay, and then the last product in my box this month is a setting spray from Tarte. It's this one in the purple bottle. It's their Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist. So the setting spray from Tarte retails for $25. It says, give your skin the glow it deserves with this antioxidant-packed cucumber, fruit, and plant extract skin tonic. The non-sticky mist delivers a radiant, dewy finish for lit from within luminosity. Refresh dull, tired, or sluggish feeling skin throughout the day, or use after your skincare routine to balance, tone, and boost your complexion. There's a little tag that was on the bottle. It says, wear alone to illuminate skin or use in your skincare and make your routine as the perfect prep, refresh, or finishing spray. I just want to make sure that you're supposed to use it as a finishing spray and not just as a prep spray. So I'm going to shake it. The sprayer on this is okay. It's not the best sprayer for a setting spray. It kind of spits at you and leaves drops on your face. Yeah, I see some spots on my face from it, but once it dries, hopefully it will go away. I don't know if it really looks that dewy or luminous, but it's not sticky or anything. I don't really like this. It just, the spray isn't good on this in my opinion. It kind of spits at you, leaves spots on your face. It's not a very fine mist and you have to spray it a lot to get it on your face. Like, I feel like it just kind of goes everywhere. It doesn't really go on your face that well, if that makes sense. And then it doesn't really seem to be that glowy. Like, I don't really notice much of a dewiness or a glowy, luminous finish from it, which it says it's supposed to do, so I don't know. I guess I'll see if this helps my makeup last longer, but it does make my makeup look better, like not powdery, which is good. So there's that. That's a plus for it. As far as the scent, it kind of has a little bit of a scent of cucumber mixed in with other stuff that I can't really put my finger on. It smells okay. This is okay. I'm gonna keep trying it to see if I end up liking like the actual effects of setting your makeup, to see if it prolongs my makeup wear. But just as a first impression, I don't really like it that much. Alright, so that was everything in my Boxycharm box for the month of July. So the box this month retails for a total of $128.99, which is pretty good since it's, you know, $21. I would say that my favorite product this month is this blush from Note Cosmetics, and this was actually only $11.99. This is the cheapest product in the box. I don't know, I think this blush is really pretty. I think it's a really pretty shade. The application's nice, it has a good formula. Like I said, I don't really like the setting spray. The eye gel is okay. I'm gonna keep using it just to see if I like it or if I notice any differences, if it makes a difference, you know, over time. I don't really like the mascara that much, and the brow product was okay. So overall, this wasn't my favorite box. Definitely I liked June's box a lot better, and I think the boxes in the previous couple months before that, like April and May, I like better as well, but this blush is good. I definitely do like Boxycharm. I'm always excited to see what I'm gonna get every month from Boxycharm. It's really nice to try out new products, and it's always, you know, good brands and full-size products, so I definitely like Boxycharm. This month, just in my opinion, isn't that great. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comments what you got in your box this month, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!